My dear learners, welcome to online video class. I am Muhammad Mukhtar Hussain, Assistant Teacher, English, Islamia High School, Tipamadupur, Kauniyar, Rangpur. Lesson identity, subject English Pachava, class 10, Unit 3, Lesson 3. Look at the screen and the pictures. What can you see here? Surely you can see here Shohid Minar and wreaths. Our today's topic, International Mother Language Day, 21st February. Look at the picture. What can you see here? In this picture you can see Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Again look at the another picture. What can you see here? Here you can see Salam, Rafiq and Barkod. Learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, the students will be able to say about the picture, explain why we observe 21st February as the International Mother Language Day. Narrate what happened when Urdu was declared as the only official language of Pakistan. Meaning the following words one by one. First, wreath. An arrangement of flowers in the shape of a circle. This is called wreath. Proclaim, declare. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman declared the independence of Bangladesh. Multilingualism, practice of using several languages. Turkish language, Mandarin language, French language, Spanish language, English language, German language. There are many kinds of languages. Look at the picture again. This is second Shohid Minar. This is also the picture of a Shohid Minar, present Shohid Minar. The Shohid Minars were built one by one after another. 21 March 1948. Muhammad Ali Jinnah declared that Urdu would be the only state language of East Pakistan. 21st February 1952, police fired on the procession and Salam, Rafiq, Barkod, Jabbar and Shafur were killed. 17 November 1999, the UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, proclaimed February 21 as the International Mother Language Day in recognition of the sacrifices of the martyrs for the rightful place of Bangla. Dear learners, now I am going to read out the main passage. 21 February is observed as Shohid Divos every year throughout the country in remembrance of the martyrs of language movement of 1952. The commemoration begins at the early hours of the day with morning songs that recall the commemoration begins at the early hours of the day with morning songs that recall the supreme sacrifices of our language martyrs. People wear black badges and go to Shohid Minar in barefoot processions singing morning songs. They place wreaths at the Minar. Many of them visit the graves of martyrs at Azimpur graveyard and pray for them. They also attend various programs organized in remembrance of the language martyrs. The UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organizations on 17 November in 1999 proclaimed February 21 as the International Mother Language Day. In recognition of the sacrifices of the martyrs for the rightful place of Bangla. The day is now annually observed worldwide to promote awareness in linguistic and cultural diversity and multilingualism. Dear learners, now I am going to ask you some questions. You will try to answer them. When was it declared as the International Mother Language Day? You came to learn that it was declared as the International Mother Language Day when UNESCO proclaimed 20 February 1 as the International Mother Language Day. What happened when Urdu was declared as the state language of Pakistan? When Urdu was declared as the state language of Pakistan, it happened that the flame of fire was shown all over Bangladesh. Dear learners, I again another question. Why is February 21 declared as the International Mother Language Day? 21 February is called declared International Mother Language Day because UNESCO declared it. Another question, why is February 21 called Shohid Divos? February 21 is called Shohid Divos because many heroic sons of the country shed their blood for the language movement. They sacrificed their lives. Again, another question, why do people go to Shohid Minar? In answer or in reply, I want to say that people go to Shohid Minar to offer wreaths in honor of the language martyrs. How do they go there? They go there barefooted. They go there barefooted. Why is 21 February now observed throughout the world every year? 21 February is now observed throughout the world every year because it was declared as the International Mother Language Day by the UNESCO. Dear learners, can you say what is UNESCO? UNESCO means United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Homework. What is Language Movement Day? What is the significance of Language Movement Day? Thank you, my dear learners. Many thanks. See you.